That is one of my mods, upgrades to the camper. I just received this today, and this is a motorised jockey wheel. So this is a T-Rex or a Trex. I think they're called T-Rex though. Anyway, arrived today. Very quick actually. I ordered it Monday, it's maybe Sunday. That's pretty quick. Well done, Edison's. Edisons.com.au. So what do we got? We have the cable. Can't get into the bag. There it is. Cable. Knife away. And that looks like the handlebars. Sorry about that. I should have set this up properly, but anyway. So this is the directional control, forward and back. And back. Packaging. There is a, you have to download the manual. Doesn't come with one, that's okay. I already have. They actually, the cool thing is when I bought it, they actually sent me the manual in an email, which was nice, so I got to read up about it all before then. Right, so this looks like the A-frame mount. I'm not sure whether I'm going to use this one. I'm not sure how quick release it is. I want it to be quick release because I'm actually not going to use it when we're on the road. This is only just for parking the camper when we get home because we have to put it in a tight spot. This is a lock, so if we did actually have it on the road, you get a key and a lock to lock it to the thing. Handle to winder. Hey, foam. I hate foam. Oh, we got all the bolts. I'm not a big fan of foam either. It's about time we get rid of that and find another alternative. There it is. Oh, she's heavy. Oh, that's a big sucker. Woo! So I'm actually going to, because I don't have the camper trailer yet. Black series. I'm going to actually hook it up to as a test run and put it on our current camper trailer. Maybe on the weekend, I think. Nothing else to do because we're in lockdown. And yeah, so that's all that. So this apparently will support up to 6,000 pounds. I think it's 3,500 kilos, I think. Something like that. Oh, maybe it was 2,700 kilos. I can't remember. Anyway, our camper trailer doesn't even weigh 2,000 kilos. Fully loaded, so should have no problems at all. So that's it. Kind of cool. Actually, just quickly had a story. I had something else delivered today. And this punk of a girl came and stole the package right from in front of our house. Not impressed at all. Now it wasn't this thing, obviously, thankfully. It was a cheaper thing that, yes, is a pain, but it took about a month to get what I was ordering. But it was probably only about $40 worth, as opposed to I got this for $3.50 actually on special. It was pretty good. And then this arrived in the afternoon, and I still wasn't home because actually. That's another story. I was getting, you can't see, I was getting a suspension upgrade, not a lift, just upgrading the shocks and the struts. They were well and truly worn, and I wanted to put in something a little bit beefier than I think was in it, which I think was original Pajero stuff. So I've gone for the fulcrum package. Got that on special too, which was nice, and they just installed that today. The old suspension was worn, it was squeaky, and it rattled a lot. I had this rattle, I think I might have mentioned it in one of my other videos. Major rattle in the back of my car for months, and it drove me bananas because I couldn't figure out what it was. Turned out it was the suspension. It was just worn. And driving home today from the suspension installers was so peaceful, besides the fact that I had a radio going. No rattle, no squeaking. She handled lovely. Very good. Anyway, that's that. I'm just going to go talk to a neighbour about watching out for people stealing things. Have a good weekend.